In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to cancel auto transfers in Etrade. Whether you're using the website or the app, the process is straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your Etrade account. You can do this through their website or by using the app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. It's time to navigate to the transfer section, which you'll find in the top menu. This section is your gateway to managing all your funds movement within Etrade. Click on Transfer to open up the Transfers page. This page shows you all the options related to moving money in and out of your account. Now, look at the top of the page and select the Activity tab. This tab is crucial because it provides a comprehensive list of all your transfer activities, including any scheduled transfers. As you browse the Activity section, you'll notice a list of all your past and future transfer activities. What you're looking for here are the automatic or recurring transfers. These are usually marked with a timer or a scheduled status, making them easier to identify. Once you find the auto transfer you wish to cancel, take a closer look. You should see an edit button or a trash delete icon next to it. Now, if you're thinking of just making a few changes to the transfer rather than cancelling it altogether, click on the edit button. This will allow you to modify the details to better suit your current needs. However, if your goal is to completely cancel the transfer, go ahead and click on the delete or trash icon. After you click, you'll be prompted to confirm the cancellation. This step is important as it ensures that no accidental deletions occur, giving you a chance to review your decision. Once you confirm, the automatic transfer will be removed from your account activity. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. That's how you cancel auto transfers in Etrade. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your transfers. If you have any other questions about Etrade or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.